Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Thermaltake Polo Extreme 3-in-1 cooler. What's included in this package are all the necessary items for installation on the socket 478, the socket 462, and the socket 754. You also get some screws, thermal compound, a thermal sensor. This gets stuck on your CPU and they do provide some tape for that as well. Now they do also include here 2 speed controllers. You can use one at a time. This one here goes installed at the back of your computer system in the expansion slot, so you can either use this one or you can use this one here, which again is a speed controller, and it will adjust the speed on the fan. And this one goes installed at the front of your case in your computer's 3.5-inch drive bay. Also included is an installation guide and the cooler. This fan can be controlled in 3 different ways. You can use a jumper, which you put right here and max the fan out and have it at full speed. Or you can use that thermal sensor, which goes from here onto or next to your CPU, and that will then adjust the speed on the fan automatically. Or you can use the speed controllers and they get connected into here. This is an 80 by 80 by 32 millimeter fan. The rated voltage is 12. The started voltage is 7. The rated current is from 0.08 to 0.45 amps. The power connector is a 4-pin standard Molex connection, which goes into your power supply directly. The power input is from 0.96 to 5.4 watts. Now the fan speed will vary from 2,000 RPMs all the way up to 5,500 RPMs. And the airflow will go from around 27 CFMs to around 73 CFMs. The noise will go from 21 to 48 decibels. It's a 2-ball bearing fan, and the overall weight on this cooler is 732 grams. The top part, which is this right here, gets easily removed by unscrewing these 4 screws, 2 on either side. And once you've done that, you can use whichever bracket you need to just pop in here in order to install it on whichever socket you're installing it on. Now this is an all copper heatsink with 66 fins and has a fairly thick, smooth, solid copper base, which will allow good contact between it and the CPU. Now let's have a listen to the fan. Right now it's at its lowest spin of 2,000 RPMs, and let me increase it all the way up to the maximum of 5,500 RPMs. This cooler pretty much does it all because you can install it on a number of different sockets. Also, you can adjust the fan speed. This is a good thing. Some might want to have it silent. Of course, if you have it silent, you're not going to get maximum performance out of it. If you want maximum performance, or if you want to overclock, you can crank it all the way up. But remember, as you've heard, this is a very loud fan when it's maxed out. But overall, this is a kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com, and while you're there, you can go into the forums and register And remember, registration is completely free. Also keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please help support 3dgameman.com. Until the next time, take care.